Hey guys, TC Computers 29 here. Today I'll be unboxing the Gigabyte HD 4550. As you can see, it features a 512 megabyte DDR3 RAM memory, and it has the screen cooling design, which has it uses the natural air flow in the case to cool it down. It's pretty good, and it has high def. Okay. Says it comes with a 64-bit bandwidth. It's ultra durable too. It comes with PCI Express 2.0 and DirectX 10.1. Now I have used this on Crysis, and it does play Crysis at medium settings on maximum 20 and minimum, I think it's about 13 FPS. So it is not that good for gaming. So here is the card. There's the heatsink and the see-through, HDMI, gold-plated. Yep. The driver disc and the manual, which comes with like 10 languages. So it does come in a fairly small box, but for $49 it was alright. This is the Gigabyte. So, and this is the unboxing. So this was the unboxing of the Gigabyte HD 4550. Welcome to TC Computers 29, the home of gaming and tech.